concrete today.
Yay.
When I'm sitting there alone, getting drunk and getting stoned, I'm thinking about you. Been a hard water climb, swear to God I'm doing time here without you. Sun sinking low, here we go, another shadow to fight through. That's what I do, the whole damn night through. Second in what could have been, I'm a third, you're with them, and that ain't right. The sunset is when it starts, sky ain't all, it's getting dark till daylight. I'm strung out, I'm a mess, words and whiskey on my breath. See how faded I can get by sunrise. And yeah, I'm falling apart, sky ain't all, it's getting dark till daylight. Sinking up and coming down, that's a slow way to drown, that's what I'm used to. Touch to cut you deep, it's hard to find, it's hard to keep, it's hard to lose too. Another smoke, another flame, another rush to the brain, but it ain't you. That's what I do, the whole damn night through. Second in what could have been, I'm a third, you're with them, and that ain't right. The sunset is when it starts, sky ain't all, it's getting dark till daylight. I'm strung out, I'm a mess, words and whiskey on my breath. See how faded I can get by sunrise. And yeah, I'm falling apart, sky ain't all, it's getting dark till daylight. Singing low, here we go, another shadow to fight through. That's what I do, the whole damn night through. It's second in what could have been, I'm a third, you're with them, and that ain't right. The sunset is when it starts, sky ain't all, it's getting dark till daylight. I'm strung out, I'm a mess, words and whiskey on my breath. See how faded I can get by sunrise. And yeah, I'm falling apart, sky ain't all, it's getting dark till daylight. It's second in what could have been, I'm a third.
All right, Andre, tell them what we just got done today.
Well, today we poured 5.5 yards of concrete to build the bulkhead. Culverts go through because the wash that comes in here, it roars when we get a flash flood. So anyway, it'll run through the culverts now, put two 24-inch culverts in there. And then we built a bulkhead so, you know, the water can bounce off the concrete into the culverts and continue on its merry way.
Continue.
So tomorrow or the next day, we're gonna come in, grab the excavator, the Bobcat. We're gonna fill all this in and create a road, and then continue on going over there. Next week we are going to well, guy's gonna hook up to the holding tank.
That's our neighbor Doug.
Neighbor Doug. Guy's gonna hook up Jason from something well. Anyway, he's gonna hook me up a manifold onto that holding tank, and I'm gonna dig the water line in down through here, down the easement, and pop it out on my property line, and
Do one of these and then
here, and then up over that, and then underneath that, hooked together, and with water. So
we'll be ready to go.